Oh, the glamorous life of Jennifer Lopez. Stepping out of the limelight and into a quaint Hamptons boutique, the multi-hyphenate star made quite the splash on her latest shopping excursion. Accompanied by her stepdaughter Violet Affleck, the duo locked down LoveShackFancy's Sag Harbor location for an exclusive hour-long browsing session. The boutique, known for its whimsical, floral-printed ensembles, welcomed Lopez and Affleck with open arms, even gifting the Jenny from the Block singer with a stunning $595 Norma dress. But for the LoveShackFancy salesperson, this was just another day at the office, as celebrities like J.Lo are a dime a dozen in the upscale community. However, the scene outside the store painted a different picture, with fans eager to catch a glimpse of the megastar, snapping pictures with their smartphones. Meanwhile, Violet Affleck was also on a shopping spree of her own, adding a few LoveShackFancy pieces to her wardrobe, including the $225 Carletta crop top. The 18-year-old has been making headlines recently for her advocacy work, speaking out in favor of mask mandates at a Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors meeting. But on this particular day, masks were the last thing on her mind as she enjoyed a day of retail therapy with her stepmom. The question on everyone's mind, though, is whether Jennifer Lopez's presence will boost sales at LoveShackFancy. While the exclusive shopping experience might have generated buzz, the savvy salesperson seemed to think that the boutique's popularity was already high enough that it wouldn't make a significant difference. After all, the Hamptons are a hotspot for the rich and famous, so seeing a celebrity of Lopez's caliber isn't exactly a rarity. Still, for those lucky few who were inside the boutique during the impromptu lockdown, it was a unique and unforgettable experience, witnessing a pop culture icon in her element. This little shopping trip may have only lasted an hour, but it's a testament to the power of celebrity influence, even in the most exclusive and private of settings. Whether it's scoring a gifted dress from a trendy boutique or having the privilege of shopping without the crowds, Jennifer Lopez's presence creates an undeniable buzz. It's no wonder that her every move is scrutinized and analyzed, but this time, it was simply a day of retail therapy with her stepdaughter, captured in all its glamour and extravagance. The story of Jennifer Lopez's visit to LoveShackFancy offers a fascinating glimpse into the lifestyle of the rich and famous. From locking down a boutique for privacy to receiving exclusive gifts from high-end designers, it's a world that's both glamorous and intriguing. But underneath all the glitz and glamour, it's also a reminder of the humanity of celebrities who, just like the rest of us, enjoy a good shopping trip and spending quality time with family. It's these moments that offer a more relatable and humanizing side to the stars we often put on a pedestal. Thanks for watching. Please kindly let us know what you think about this in the comments section, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.